Yeah, when it's time to change those pads, most likely your piston's going to be dirty because it hangs out quite a long way on a rear caliper, swingers. So you're going to need to clean the piston. Now, do you want to do it the lazy way? Get yourself a bit of copper wire. Tie it to a nice chunky bootlace. Feed it in the hole. Fish around till it comes out the other side. There he be. Right, round the back. Back in again. Round the back again. Depends how adventurous you are, but I'm only going to do one loop. Right, now then. There he is, looped around the piston one time. Get your preferred spray cleaner. Spray up that bootlace. And just get sawing away. Now, because this has worked so well, I've decided to make a video on it. Because before, you couldn't even see that shiny piston up in there because it was covered in dirt and stuff. But he's all nice and cleanio now. How about that then? Piston cleaning made simple. Follow me for more tips and time saving bodges later.